Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty warm smoky eye. I'm just, in the warm mood, and to create this look I used the Sol palette from ColourPop. I haven't used this on camera yet, but I have created a look with it in the past, just not on camera like I said. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is so stinking pretty. I love it. I just love ColourPop palettes. So if you guys want to see how I got this warm smoky eye, then keep watching. Okay, first I'm going in with the shade New Digs on my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just popping this in the crease. This is a great transition shade because you can't see it. Next I'm going in with New Digs and Dynamite. Again, just popping this in the crease. So Dynamite in the pan looks like I don't know, it looks more brown to me, but on my eye, like on my face, it is kind of more orange. So I didn't really mean for that to happen, but it happened. And this shade you really have to build up. I did dip into the shade a couple of times just to get it to where I wanted it. Next I'm going in with New Digs, Dynamite, and Unwind. And first I'm focusing that on the outer V and just really in the crease. Again, this is another shade where I really went back and forth to deepen it up, because to me, Unwind is like brown to me, but when you blend it all together, it comes out as orange. I don't know what's going on. I still love this palette. I think it's gorgeous. I just wish that the brown was a little darker. I'm definitely gonna play with it more and do some more looks with this in the future, because I really wanted this to just be like a bronzy smoky eye, but that's not really what happened. It's just a really warm smoky eye. So now I'm just really, again, going in with Unwind and just focusing it in the crease. The only matte shade I did not use was Ooh, which is that middle orange shade in the bottom. That one has an asterisk near it, meaning you shouldn't use it on the eye. So now I'm just blending everything out, just make sure it's all good. Next I'm going in with B&B on my finger. I thought this was going to be a super bronzy shade, but it is more like a coppery. I was going for like a more, bronze. This is like copper. I still really like how it looks. I don't know. Again, it was still like really orangey. Next, I'm going in with the three shades that I use in the crease: New Digs, Dynamite, and Unwind. And I'm just putting this on the outer V just to really blend the shades together. Next, I'm going in with B&B and doing the same thing with my finger, just blending the outer V and the B&B shade together. And then taking the three crease shades again: New Digs, Dynamite, and Unwind. And I'm just putting this along the lower lash line. So once this is done, I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera, because I just like to do that. Right now, finishing up the rest of my face off camera, and I am back. And then for lips today, I'm using this Hula lip gloss from Benefit. I love this lip gloss. It's so perfect for summer. It's just like a brown lip gloss. I love it. It's one of my favorites, and like I said, I just love how it looks on the lips, and I just think it looks really pretty with the look. So this is the finished look. And that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!